How to use Canva's Magic Animate tool. Hey everybody, in today's tutorial, we're going to look at how you're easily able to use the Canva's Magic Animate tool. First off, you want to open up your web browser and go to your search bar. Simply go to canva.com. Once you head over to Canva, you basically have to go to one of your designs. Let me just go to some templates over here, and then I'll just go for a presentation. So what I can do here is select presentation and select a template from here. Let's just do something like this one called startup pitch deck. I'll just customize this template. Now there are different things that you can do to animate. So if you want to use the Magic Animate tool, you first have to have Canva Premium, because that is a premium feature in Canva. Basically, have to select your first slide, and once you select it, go to Animate, and then from here, as you can see, you find the Magic Animate tool over here. It will instantly animate all of the tools. Then their AI will also suggest you some styles based for your content, or you could also choose an alternative one. And now you can select all of your content, and they will automatically animate all of your text from your presentation. So that is a premium feature that you need to have, but if you just want a simple up, sleek, or something like that, you could add these kind of animation over here. So let's just do this one. I'll go to general, I'll do a simple rise. And if you want this to apply to all of the slides, you basically have to select Ctrl+A, and it's going to select all of your slides. So just select any one of them from down below. Press Ctrl+A. Now all of them are selected. I'll go to animate, and then you can just use which animation you want. I think the pan one is pretty good, so I'll just select this one. And within seconds, you're able to animate all of your text at once. But this is something that you can do it for free. However, if you use the Magic Animate tool, then you are able to do even more stuff with it. Now let me just present it for you guys. I'll just go full screen over here and then tap on present. Now as you can see here, the animation is quite good over here throughout the presentation. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.